Hello people, so today I will be explaining the dinosaur family tree as today's Paleo review. The dino facts are not going to be shorts anymore. I just don't like making them like that. But there's not going to be dino facts on Thursdays, because that's when I'll do Paleo review stuff, which is just a longer informative video. But every other day is dino facts. Okay, so hello people. So today we're going to be learning about the dinosaur family tree. So right here, that's like the beginning of it. That's like some Euparkeria and stuff. So basically all theropods and sauropods can be traced back to the Euparkeria, and then all of the dinosaurs were connected. So Saurischians and Ornithischians. So Ornithischians are dinosaurs with a bird-like hip bones, and Saurischians are dinosaurs with reptile-like hip bones. So that's basically what those two things mean. You just gotta get that part out of the way first. So here's Euparkeria. This green line is Euparkeria. So it goes up, then all prosauropods and sauropods, they're just the same thing. Prosauropods is if you're one of those people that are really, really specific about everything. So Coelophysis, that was in the early Triassic period. So this line, well, I should make it a different color. This line, early Triassic. So then you go up. That's when you get to Brachiosaurus, the Jurassic period. So this blue should be the Jurassic period. Oh, that's kind of purple, but it's okay. So then it goes up. Because if you look at a picture of a T-Rex, let me just find the T-Rex on this thing. So T-Rex is right here. If you find a picture of a T-Rex, which I just did, and then you compare it to a picture of a sauropod like Diplodocus or Brachiosaurus, I'll just do Brachiosaurus because it's my favorite. So Brachiosaurus was just look at them. They look nothing alike, but they are both Saurischians. So that's why it's all of this half. Oh, turds. Okay. Alright, I got it now. All of this half from the black line is, that's the Saurischian side, which means dinosaurs with reptile-like hip bones. But then, so you get into the Cretaceous period. Well, I was gonna do red because, like, red fire stuff. Cretaceous is the year that the period that the dinosaurs went extinct. You know what? Cretaceous, you're getting a baby blue because you act like a tough guy all the time. So, you can see a lot less sauropod-like things. So, in this, no sauropods, because sauropods were Saurischians. This side with the blue is Ornithischians, but then right down that middle part is... You get the point. Alright. So, that part is... So, obviously, you can see a lot less sauropods in this. Like, see how... Like, you go down to the Cretaceous period. No, not the Cretaceous. The Jurassic period. There are a lot of sauropods, like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, and that's just to name a few. So, but then you go back into the Cretaceous period, and then you're seeing Allosaurus, and then that's basically just the last of the sauropods. So the sauropods died out in the Triassic. Nope, not the Triassic. The Cretaceous period, but not completely, because Allosaurus was still alive. He was like that cool kid in the dodgeball game when all of his teammates are eliminated, but he's the only one left and he's fighting against the other team. But everybody loses because a giant meteor hits Earth, and then nobody wins that dodgeball game because nobody can dodge that big giant meteor. Alright, anyways, so you see how you get a lot more theropods in the Cretaceous. So that's when the T-Rex lived, and you can kind of see like how it all branches from the U-Park area all the way to here, and then I'm not going to draw all that again. So you get the point. So case closed on the Saurischian side. So don't forget these guys. So then you go over here, and so Protoceratops ate plants. Iguanodon ate plants. So Hadrosaurus ate plants. Triceratops ate plants. You get the point. So most, if not all, of the Saurischian side ate plants. Disguy. You So obviously there were thousands and thousands of dinosaurs, but I don't know when this chart was made. So obviously, if it's like kind of old, then it's a little bit outdated. So But then you can see how Ankylosaurus and this little guy right here, a little cute kiddo. Wait, what's your name? Come on, what's your name? Tell me your name. Don't be shy, little child. I cannot read that. What? Yep. All right, come here and tell me your name. Is it Cenodosaurus? All right, I'm going with Cenodosaurus. Wait, let me see. Yep, that's Cenodosaurus. All right. I just confirmed it with my brain. That was me clapping. So all of this side ate plants. Let's use a greeny genie because they like plants and plants are green. That's supposed to be a leaf. It looks like a turtle shell. Alright, but they ate plants. But let's go back to the Saurischians. So you ate plants. You ate plants. You ate plants. And that means you have potential. You have potential. And you have potential. So, if you look at all of the sauropods, they're all plant eaters. From now on, green means plant. Because I said so. And then all of these little children eat plants as well. But then red because meat and stuff. All of the theropods on this chart, which I will admit it's not actually true, because if you watched one of my other Dino Facts from a couple weeks ago, I talked about the Therizinosaurus. That was a theropod, but it did eat plants because it had those long claws for just like moving the leaves, So let's just put some green in there for the Therizinosaurus. Just gotta represent the Therizinosaurus. He's that weird kid. Like, in the theropod class, he's like that little guy that like, oh, hi, everybody. And then everybody's like tough meat eaters and, So, that's basically it. But the reason I bring all this green meat eater, plant eater stuff, there's actually, this serves as evidence that not all dinosaurs have been put on this chart, which I'm just covering in red, because there are so many dinosaurs that haven't even been discovered that most people don't even know, like, exist. Like, they're just so unknown because this is, like, the base of all the dinosaurs. But the reason I'm going on about this, I just wanted to prove a point. That point that I wanted to prove was that this whole thing is evidence that most dinosaurs ate plants, but they didn't even put every single dinosaur on this list. They put, let's just count. All right, intense counting time. 1, oh, that's yellow. I hate yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have 10 saurischians and all of these guys, they're like that. These guys are like the cool kids. So there are 9 meat eaters on this chart. 9 of them. All of them are theropods. 8. Wait, no. Let's fact check this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sauropods. You go up here. 1 sauropod in the Cretaceous period. You notice in a pattern, there are some meat eaters, almost all meat eaters, all plant eaters, and then here we have all plant eaters. Let's count these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 9. So let's take this information. Okay, intense erasing times. I have 9. So 9 ornithischians and 4 sauropods. Let's add that number. 13. You get 13 of the cool kids. 13 cool kids. But then let's check these. Over here, the number was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then 6 cool kids over here. I bring this all up. There's 13 over here, 6 over here. All of those 13 are plant eaters. And 6 meat eaters. So let's just fact check this just for evidence and proof and stuff. right here. There. More. Plant eaters. Then meat eaters. All right, let's see. Question: were there more dinosaurs, plant eaters? Were there more... Wait, what? This is not what I asked. All right, let me just see this. All right, so... Okay. All right, here it is. Answer: most of the 335 kinds of dinosaurs ate plants. Most. That is the key word. That chart served as evidence. But I might be biasing this slightly. A true fact. But, you know, it's a true fact. But, you know, who cares? Like, I know that it's true, so I might be biasing it, because the person that made that chart could have just put more plant eaters than meat eaters. Also, there's more than 300 whatever they show that they put, because that information might be slightly outdated by now, because there are lots of new dinosaurs. Fun fact, there's a dinosaur named Thanos.